Welcome to this tutorial video where I'll be showing you how to use the Zingoy app to earn cashback while you shop. The best part is, the steps are the same whether you're using the website or the mobile app. Stick around and I'll walk you through it. First, sign up and create an account. This is the only way to unlock cashback deals. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Online Shopping Cashback Offers. Here, you can find stores and their available cashback offers. Select the store you want to shop from. Click Shop and Earn. You'll then be redirected to the shop's website where you can begin shopping. Remember that to get a cashback deal, you must access the shop through Zingoy. Going directly to the shop's website won't work. After you're done shopping, return to the Zingoy homepage and head to the cashback summary section. Here, you see a summary of your cashback history, your lifetime earnings, and what is available now to redeem. When you're ready, click Redeem to cash out your earnings or use them as a gift card. Zingoy lets you refer friends with your unique link, and when they shop, you earn cashback. You can also buy and sell gift cards on the platform and earn instant cashback on those transactions as well. Using Zingoy is pretty easy and is a surefire way of earning as you spend. So go ahead and earn as you shop. Thank you for watching this video and I hope it was helpful. See you in another one.